Without further ado, we have something brand new. Okay. Yo, Kartel just dropped him video for join the team. Alright. Dancehall is back. Kartel has put everybody to shame. So yeah. Unfortunately. So let's get into it. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Remember we pause the video every 10 seconds because we now get paid feet. So we are trying to get paid feet. Alright. Intro sound bad. Y'all them look like them are about to do some skin out.
Me, I got it with no delay, so what you saying, yo? Say you have a man, but we kick the titty, yo. Don't call me as a referee when I'm kicking, yo. Cause I am not a...
Is this the remix for Busta Rhymes? Cause that shit sounds sick.
Hey, girl, you want good in your hole. Hey, girl, you want me knock you out cold. Hey, girl, you want
alright, listen. Hold on. Kartel. Them little moves you've been doing behind these females ain't working, bro. Sorry, dog. But, man, I want to stage when I see how Busta wine bed that woman, brother. It don't work, brother. I tell you, brother. Just give up, brother. You get the whole no, brother.
Me, I got it with no delay, so what you saying, yo? Say you have a man, but we kick the titty, yo. Don't call me as a referee when I'm kicking, yo. Cause I am not...
Say you have a man, but your breast me icky, yo. Don't call me a referee when I'm kicking, yo. Yo. It sounds simple, but dog, we get the downgrade version of Kartel right now, you know. Like, millennials know say Vybz Kartel now is like... The Gen Z will never know what Vybz Kartel is. See me? Or was. Only we as the millennials can know that, brother. Right now, we get the simple version of Kartel.
I am the cause of CEO, and my only job is to make sure my dick in yo. 9 months.
Tell us my pause game the pump point, you know, but I think I joke me and making it, brother.
Your belly swell a kidding yo. I'm not really a one burner, so you stress a big in yo.
You know, the cinema go box him later, but he's not really a one burner. Cinema go box it on later.
Girl a call and a threaten fi kill yo. True your love give rich man your pussy fit them dig it out. You shoulda get a little simple youth fi call your own. But you get the teeth just so trouble it not come without.
So you get the teeth just so trouble it not come without. Yo, Kartel body of fuck.
You go shopping no money no half count. But you have to understand say a bag a gal want your man. So a gal we all come in your mouth. Boom, knock you out, knock you right out. Come cry.
See them you hear what dog I say? Alright.
Inna the Benz later where you go out. If you really wanna fuck with me, remember me body a prosperity, but it a go come with fuckery. And
yo, I might pick up like that for them girl, you know. If you wanna fuck with me, my body a prosperity, but it a go come with fuckery. That me I tell the girl them no.
Every gal can manage me, so if you really wanna join the team, longest line you will ever see. Black gal, white gal, Chinese.
I have a new talk, you know, and I want the girl and tell the girl them to just go and pump for the experience.
The gal, Asian, Guyanese. Hey, scatter, scatter. In God we trust, so it's a must we put the money in front pussy first. So baby, if
of course,
would you stop from there?
In God we trust. So of course, money we put in front, pussy first. Yeah.
Boss, any more boss you take a must boss.
Bro, the wine that we Kartel have need to stop. Alright? So TJ Sketa tell him to stop. Alright. Tell him man to just wall it. Man, hold it now.
Boss, when my call and said daddy me have girl for your fuck. Me know you want me girl, but when you see me cock it up, run the pussy pan the chiller.
Yo, don't play it Kartel, you know. Man say call it daddy me a pussy for your fuck. A boy I come like it and a man as it.
The syllabus, if Busta late run it pan bounty killer fuss. Then me carry you go look if you shopping we never trust. Spend the money pan your TJ say it's a must. No ask me about no girl.
I love the fact that my bounty killer can mend back the relationship because when my bounty killer that war back in the days, bro, I think that was it. The friendship that did mash up. I say that can mend back. But see how God work out things.
When you say we are pose up, me no have woman friend, obviously we are fuck. You no like that walking a truck. Otherwise pay that no mind, remember you did broke. Now you rich cause you have the big Buddha stock. So count your blessing, count your luck.
I see them attack.
You really wanna fuck with me? Remember me body a prosperity, but it a go come with.
I can't see them dog attack, but running a chop. If you have no problem with that, go and go sit. Voila.
Fuckery. I know
Go back.
a must. No ask me about no girl when you say we a pose up. Me no have woman friend, obviously we a fuck. You no like that walking a chop. Otherwise pay that no mind. Remember you did broke. Now you rich cause you.
Now ladies, me have a woman friend and we not fuck. So please, don't come at me. Don't say Kartel say. Alright? Me a Kartel in a different tax bracket than I am. Two different people, my friend. Two different people.
Have me big woulda suck. So count your blessing, count your luck. If you really wanna fuck with me, remember me body a prosperity, but it a go come with fuck.
I love that. I got tell them that me I start telling girl them. If you want fuck with me, my body a prosperity, but it's going to come with some fuckery. That me I tell girl them. Wait.
I know every gal can manage me. So if you really wanna join the team, longest line you will ever see. Black
Girl white, girl Chinese.
white gal Chinese, Trini gal beige and
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Ionese.
I hope put scatter up on them jump there. I hope scatter play the jump for real, you know. Tell us my past game the pan pint, you don't think I joke me I make. Mom's just a push up your back pan foot. I'm scatter so. Alright. Big win music. Alright, I love that. I love that. Hopefully una are the videographer for this song. However, I go pause it. The song 10 out of 10. Dancehall is back. We can finally listen to dancehall again. Not say dancehall wasn't around, because I feel like man like Masicka Idonia and Governor did actually a hold it up in a sense. You see me? Especially Masicka. You see me? Feel like the man they been a put in the work. And yeah, I feel like dancehall was around, but the niceness of dancehall just populate again. If that fit right. See me? I feel like dancehall just come back with Vybz Kartel being out of jail. Alright? Shout out to Vendetta for actually selling out Wembley Stadium in the UK. Shout out for that. We're gonna give the man them props. Me's a man and music me deal with favoritism. Don't know my artist. And just hear me say Masicka been a hold up dancehall, really and truly. Cause we are gonna give man them flowers. Well wifey. Man on a batty man thing. We are gonna give people them flowers before them gone. Then we are gonna post and say, yo, whatever. God forbid that fi happen. But me give the song a 10 out of 10. Flow, lyrics, style, creativity, melody, beat, music video, the editing, everything we get a 10 out of 10. Clarity, 10 out of 10. Videos need to have clarity so that your viewers can stay entertained. Alright? So, Kartel 10 out of 10. The song just send you a positive message. It's more like a gimmick song. Right? Alright, let's not say gimmick song, but more like a song where to make you enjoy yourself, feel good, vibe too. You see me? So yes, me give song a 10 out of 10. Kartel 10 out of 10. Like, comment, share, subscribe.